Welcome to my tutorial on how to upload a Favicon to your WordPress website. So first things first, go to your dashboard. Then go to Appearance, Customize. Then under Customize, go to the menu on the left and go to Site Identity. Then scroll down. Right here it says Site Icon. That's a nickname for your Favicon. Site icons are what you see in browser tabs, bookmark bars, and within the WordPress mobile apps. Upload one here. Site icons should be squared in at least 512 by 512. So make sure it's at least 512 pixels by 512 pixels. And also make sure that you optimize your site image. That means save it to a smaller kilobyte record. Okay, I hope that helps. Thanks so much. Have a great day.